Welcome to my YouTube channel. First of all, I like to introduce the syllabus of economics for advanced level students. Economics is a social science that's closely connected to human life. While social sciences do a study of human behavior in society from different angles, and this subject provides opportunity to study how humanity should behave with an economic perspectives. The subject of economics covers a wide area of study and it includes microeconomics, macroeconomics, international economics, and development economics. The relevant competencies and competency levels are divided to two main parts as grade 12 syllabus and grade 13 syllabus. You should complete six main competencies for grade 12 syllabus. For the first term, you should study from competency level 1.1 to competency level 2.8. Altogether, you have to complete 17 competencies. For the second term, from competency level 2.9 to competency level 4.5, altogether you have to complete 14 competencies. For the third term, from competency level 4.6 to competency level 6.4, altogether you have to complete 12 competency levels. You know that the first 25 out of 50 questions of your MCQ paper are based on the subject areas you covered in grade 12. Unit number 1 comparatively analyzes basic economic problems and the alternative ways of solving the basic economic problems in an economic system. 1.1 investigates the subject field of economics. 1.2 presents the way of fulfilling human needs and wants through the consumption of goods and services. 1.3 analyzes determinants of factors productivity with the identification of the characteristics of factors of production. 1.4 analyzes the central problem of economics logically. 1.5 inquire the basic economic problems. 1.6 analyzes the way of organizing to solve basic economic problems. 1.7 classifies economic systems using various criteria. 1.8 analyzes the behavior of opportunity cost using the production possibility frontier. 1.9 represents basic concepts of economics and changes of production capacity using production possibility frontier. Unit number 2 analyzes demand, supply, elasticity and market equilibrium. 2.1 analyzes the theory of demand and the law of demand according to determinants of demand. 2.2 compares the differences between the changes of quantity demanded and change in demand. 2.3 defines and analyzes the elasticity of demand. 2.4 examines rational decision making based on price elasticity of demand. 2.5 examines the rational decision making according to the cross price elasticity of demand. 2.6 examines taking rational decision making according to the income elasticity of demand. 2.7 analyzes the theory of supply and the law of supply based on determinants of supply. 2.8 compares the difference between change in quantity supplied and change in supply. 2.9 analyzes the importance of price elasticity of supply with estimating its value. 2.10 analyzes the market. 2.11 examines how market equilibrium is determined. 2.12 analyzes change in market equilibrium. Unit number 3 investigates the government intervention to the market. 3.1 analyzes the ways the government intervenes to a market. 3.2 analyzes government intervention in the free market to a unit tax. 3.3 analyzes the distribution of incidence of tax after the unit tax is imposed on supplier. 3.4 analyzes the government intervention to the market with providing of a unit subsidy to suppliers. 3.5 investigates the effects of price control on market operations. Unit number 4 explores the rational behavior of production firms within the market and behavior of factor market. 4.1 analyzes the behavior of short-term and long-term production process of a business firm. 4.2 comparative analyzes the basic concepts related to the cost of production. 4.3 analyzes the behavior of cost of production within the production process. 4.4 compare basic features of the market structures. 4.5 investigates the short-run behavior of a perfectly competitive firm and industry. 4.6 describes the behavior of the factor market. From unit number 5, we are going to learn macroeconomic concepts. Unit number 5 demonstrates the readiness of preparing the national accounts by considering the macroeconomic operations. 5.1 investigates macroeconomic objectives, macroeconomic problems, and macroeconomic policies. 5.2 analyzes different approaches of national income accounting using a circular flow. 5.3 exhibits preparedness to compile national accounts following the output approach. 5.4 analyzes the related concepts and estimation of gross domestic product following product approach. 5.5 investigates the concept related to the calculation of the gross domestic product using expenditure approach. 5.6 analyzes the importance of national income accounting and limitations of national income accounting. Unit number 6 analyzes the determination of macroeconomic equilibrium. 6.1 analyzes the macroeconomic equilibrium and macroeconomic disequilibrium. 6.2 analyzes the components of aggregate expenditure. 6.3 analyzes the macroeconomic equilibrium through different approaches. 6.4 demonstrate the changes of the macroeconomic equilibrium with the changes of the components of the aggregate demand through the multiplier process. This is the end of the introduction of grade 12 syllabus. Thank you for watching this video and hope to see you again with my next video of lesson number 1.